Ready to unlock Redfin's hidden treasure chest of fixer-uppers and investment opportunities? Let's jump straight into Redfin and I'll show you how to find those as properties first. Head over to redfin.com in the search bar. Type in the city or neighborhood where you're looking to invest. For this example, let's use Los Angeles, CA. Once the map and listings load, look for the All Filters button near the top of the page and click it. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down the filters menu until you find the keywords box. Type as is into this box. This tells Redfin to specifically search for listings that include this term in their description. Click apply filters. Now, Redfin will display properties with the phrase as is mentioned in the listing. However, many properties will often try to describe the same situation with alternative wording. So let's try a few more keywords. Go back to the All Filters button and scroll down to the Keywords section again. Now let's add more search terms. Type in needs TLC and fixer upper, and again, hit apply filters. This is going to broaden your search and help you find even more potential deals. Browse through the listings and carefully review the property descriptions and photos. Look for telltale signs of properties needing work, like mentions of needed repairs, outdated features, or distressed conditions. Don't forget to also check out similar nearby properties that have sold to understand the potential resale value after renovation. Now you're armed with the knowledge to find as is properties on Redfin. So go out there and find your next great investment.